We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Since 2015, there have been 18 civilian helicopter crashes in Hawaii, according to the NTSB. And according to U.S. Helicopter Safety Team, fatalities from American helicopter deaths jumped 20% from 2017 to 2018.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.